Oh shit. Here we go again. Yeah, boy.
Guys, palas na ako guys. Pa-MM ako guys. Guys,
Guys,
pa-MM ako ah.
naliligawan na.
MM, huwag ka na huwag ka na mag-MMS1.
Kita mo sa mga MM.
Ako na MM.
Manang.
Guys, pa-MM ako guys.
MMS1 ng pang.
Ito yung win rate ko.
Gaze into the abyss.
Mataas win rate ko guys. Pa-MM ako guys.
Ano yan, no?
Ba't hindi pa nung S1 oh. Normal skin noon meron siya.
Ako na.
May pilit yan. Ako na MMS1.
Normal skin, no?
Need some stitches? I can help.
Oh boy, pinilit.
Gusto ba report pa lang?
Pinilit yung lista.
Diyan lang.
Wala
Aegis
namang skin. Bida-bida.
Report ka na, report.
Report na lang.
Report S1. Report ka na S1. Papansin.
Wala namang pambili ng skin.
Sabi ako na mag-SM, pinilit.
Your team is
Sabi ko ako mag-SM. Normal skin lang. Baka trial pa yan ah.
Baka skincare lang yan, ha? Baka wala.
Trial lang siguro yan. Trial.
Report talaga yan. Sure, sure.
Pinilit yung MM niya.
Super pabida.
Sakit bata.
Legit max na nga tayong S3. Sa S1 peke. Poser ka.
Walang skill niya no, yung S1. Iyak.
Na poser yan. Kawawa tayo dyan. Always. Pero yung S5.
Nirit natin.
Iyak sa ano, iyak sa S1. Pinilit. Report ka na, report. Report yan.
It's usually these stories.
Na, grabe. Ang daming skin. Nakuha niya yung bagong skin ng ano, Melissa.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Ay, grabe.
Even the blind could have seen that. Nocturne and Spring. An enemy has double kill. Me. Initiate retreat. Slain an enemy. Even the blind stinks. You are initiate retreat. Slain an enemy. This just Nocturne and Spring. Who are you calling a lunatic? Legendary! Double kill! This just isn't your little mischief under the moonlight. Free! This just isn't your night. This light! The lucent night isn't in You had one double kill mistake. Me. This light! Double kill. You had one fatal mistake. Nocturne kill. This just isn't your night. Nocturne legendary. Double kill. Triple kill. This Nocturne one fatal mistake. This legendary. Double kill. This just isn't your night. Nocturne and Spring. Victory!
Yeah, boy.
Lahat ba ay nakapag-droma at nakakuha na sa Naruto event na ta? Kung hindi pa baka ito na ang chance natin guys. Basic lang naman ang gagawin para makapag-draw tayo sa Naruto event at makakuha ng skin dito. Ang gagawin lang naman dito guys ay mag-daily sign-in lang tayo dito ay sa ganun ay magkaroon tayo dito ng token na feed natin i-exchange muna at ipang-draw na sa Naruto event draw. Kaya kung alam mo tagawin mo na para makapag-draw ka na.